right, my Ram, 2022 Ram 1500 Lone Star. For some reason, the factory speakers in the front here blew out. Now, how does that happen? How does that even happen? I have no idea. Because if it's a factory system, which it is, factory speakers, you would think that there would be some sort of buffer there in terms of the output. But it broke, so I'm going to change it. Obviously, you got to change it in twos and a pair. So we'll get to it. I'll show you how to take the door panel off. I'll show you the speakers that I'm going to put in and go from there. All right, first we want to get this guy out here. What we're going to do is we're going to pop that out. We're going to pop this out and look for the screws to take it out and go from there. All right, so we got a 10 millimeter right here. You got to pop this bad boy off. All right. All right, so once you got that guy out right there, okay, I popped this off. I didn't find anything in there. But then if you come down here, you got another two. So you got to get those out. All right, so once you have that and that out, you're just going to grab your hands over here by this corner. I popped this out. You don't really have to, but I did it just to kind of get this weather stripping back so I get my fingers in there a little bit better. And then just, you feel this one pop, and then this guy will start coming around and around and around, and we'll continue. All right, I got it off. It was a little bit of a pain in the neck because you got 1, 2, 3, 4, you got a whole bunch of them. And then you got these guys right here that kind of sit in. If you can see right here, they sit in there. So it's kind of like you got to slide it up and in there. And there's another one over here. You got to slide sideways. So in essence, it's like a jiggle to get it off. Anyway, here's a speaker. This is what I got to take out and replace. All right, I got the new speaker in. Well, sort of. I had to buy these adapters on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And this way you just clip it and you just plug it into the back of these new speakers. It's got like little things it comes with. And then I got these cheap Stinger speakers. They got good reviews and they were super cheap. So I like cheap and I like good. Certain cars I'll go above and beyond, but for this Ram, I'm just getting something that's got good reviews. It doesn't have an aftermarket amp or anything like that. So let me bun it up and see how it sounds. All right, I was struggling, really struggling to get this panel back on. And I figured out, you know what? Those pieces that were in there that had to get hooked on, I just took them off, which was not easy. I just slid them into here. So this way, I could just push the panel back on. Let's see how it goes. All right, that's the door panel back on. What a nightmare. I thought it was gonna be 1, 2, 3. It really wasn't. Hello, Mr. Spider. I gotta put this little thing on over here. Whoa, watch out, guy. Anyway, what a pain in the neck that was. That wasn't 1, 2, 3. You know, I had 2 spare parts. I broke 2 of those little clips there. That's a factory speaker. Feels like a 1980s speaker. Paper cone and all that stuff. Just a crappy speaker. My dog's been going nuts this whole time. Oh, I still got one more door to do. Anyway, hope this helps you. Good luck.